What's going on, folks? It's your boy Ian back with another trucking vlog, and today we are going to Camden, New Jersey via Philadelphia. Just a few days ago was a bad hurricane and routes have been flooded, streets have been flooded, so getting over to Camden will be very difficult because the main road I have to go on is flooded. I'm not too sure on how I'm gonna get over there. It's only 2 bridges to get over into Camden. I might have to go I definitely have to go around Ben Franklin Bridge and 276, and I'm hoping that some of the roads that I am not allowed to go on are going to allow me to get onto. But yeah, I haven't been, since I've moved out of Philly, I've been in Philly almost every other weekend because I have either a load to get to or drop off in the area. I kind of want to see what everyone's talking about with 676 and how bad the floods were. I saw pictures. The first picture I saw, I was like, nah, this is Photoshop. But when I started seeing videos, I'm like, there, yeah. Flooding 676 eastbound closed, use alternate route. I'm hoping that's trucks as well. I'm not heavy, a lot. I am heavy. I'm heavy as hell. But yeah, the first picture I saw, like, nah, this can't be real. This is Photoshop. And then when I seen that actual footages, I'm like, holy crap, this is insane. I'm happy no one got severely hurt due to floods. Some did, but not as much as you would think, I guess. So far I heard that 4 people were found dead and others have been hurt. So I guess this is where we have the slowdowns and start trying to find ways to get around. This is all just gonna be one clip today. I don't know how long this would be. It's gonna be pretty long because I'm not gonna turn off the camera until I get to Camden. Hopefully it's not a long way to get around because I'm trying to get home tonight to start my my weekend. Yeah, I'm just trying to think. There is a way I can get around. My fleet manager told me a way, but I don't know. I'm not gonna second guess that option, but I'm just gonna keep that in mind because he's just going off how he usually goes, and I'm not sure if the way he's telling me is still open. So we're just gonna play everything by sight. A lot of brain work today. You see that dude just trying to freaking end this one in front of me. Like, that's how you cause accidents. I'm just gonna play it by ear and eyes. It seems like this lane to the left. I guess I'm gonna just have to bully people. If this is how people want to play it, good God. Definitely don't miss this, the traffic in this city. Let's hope it doesn't take too long. I mean, I got until 2 to make this load, drop this load off. So hopefully no more than like 12:30 delay, I'm guessing. Hope I see some people I know. On the way over too. But 76, you definitely got to keep an eye out because people do not care about your livelihood, and it sucks. So, ooh, look at that. When I do go quiet, that's just because I'm trying to focus. It's not anything else. I'm trying to get to where I gotta go, safe and sound, and get my load to where it's gotta go safe and sound so I can get paid. But besides that, this week has been great. Not a lot of traffic, loads were in and out, bing bang boom, no breakdowns. Just, it's been a smooth week. It's a 4-day week. My load on Monday, well, the load I'm picking up after this is gonna be in Lancaster. I don't have to deliver that until Tuesday afternoon. So probably Monday afternoon, I'll probably just start heading up there. Because from Baltimore to Minster, Ohio, I'm gonna just assume it's 10 hours. I'm gonna assume it's 10 hours. So probably drive for about 8-9 hours and then park up somewhere and then do the rest in the morning or the afternoon. Because I think my load's at 2. So I'll have to double check that. I kind of want to see the. I don't kind of want to see the river. I do want to see the river and how bad it is. And it's crazy because it's Made in America's this weekend, so I want to know how all that's going to play into it. 76 and 676 is the typical way of getting through Philadelphia. Any other way, it'd probably be Broad Street and MLK Drive, which looks like it's closed over there. So hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully everyone, because I'm just assuming everything's paid for and everyone has their money. All the artists have their money, and of course tickets are sold out. So I'm not gonna lie, I was a little homesick, you know. What the hell was that? I was a little homesick. I do miss Philly. Yeah, that is pretty high. Like, I wonder if anybody from the regatta lost their boats.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to I-676 East.
Well, we know we're not going that way. Had to pour myself a container of coffee. I mean, every time I come through Philly, I just hope I see somebody I know. University Ave. So what is the alternative route? Y'all see that beautiful skyline? Looks a lot better than Baltimore's, I'll tell you that much. Don't get me wrong, I like Baltimore so far, but I don't know nobody. So I wonder if I can hit the Parkway. I wish I can go up 30th Street and just take Market, but yeah, I don't think they would allow me on Market with this, with a truck and a trailer. Everyone's merging over now.
Be in the second lane from the left.
Well, guess what? I can't. Oh, I am. I am in it. But I can't go the way you want me to. I mean, I would think, like, since people live here, they would already know that you can't go that way. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone has social media, or at least watches the news, or even ear to ear. Like, yo, you hear what happened? They got this shut down. Like, come on. Let's use our brains here. So the way I'm not even gonna say, I can't say his name. The way my manager told me to go, I can't even go to, because they have the whole he wanted me to go. Oh, so they're pumping it back into the river. Makes sense. So he wanted me to go up to 676, get off at 25th Street and keep straight. Like you're on top of the parkway. Not parkway, the expressway. Which I could have done, I think. So yeah, now I'm just going off what I'm gonna read. So either I get off at South Street, which I don't think I'd be able to do, or I get off at Grays Ferry and work my way over, or I just what's that other bridge? Not Walt Whitman? Can I go over here? See, this is the moments I wish I had my
Keep right to 76 East.
there we go. Okay. Yeah, Walt Whitman. I mean, it's a little out of the way. See, they want me to turn around, and I can't do that. Like I'm having a brain fart because I can do what I want to do in a car, but I can't do what I want to do in a truck. And it's burning me out. So, okay. Go 2 miles. I'll go over to Walt Whitman. Okay, so Walt Whitman is south of Camden.
In 2 miles, keep right to I-76 East.
So all I would have to do is go north, right? Right. Let's all just agree to disagree that we have to go north. Traffic is not as bad as people were saying it was. Probably because it's 12:30 in the afternoon, 11:30 in the afternoon. I'm glad it wasn't as bad as other hurricanes. I mean, it was bad, don't get me wrong, but it could have been a lot worse. So I'm happy for that. Happy everyone's okay and safe and sound. Things that you lost during the hurricane, if it's replaceable, don't be too upset over it. It can always be replaced. Damn, that is kind of high. Oh. I saw people actually jumping in, and I was looking, I'm like, yo, that might be the nastiest, unsanitary thing I've ever seen. And especially people who don't know the Schuylkill River. The Schuylkill River is where all of our sewage goes. All the pipelines in Philadelphia ends up in the Schuylkill River. And that is absolutely nasty, seeing someone do backflips into the river. I've kayaked in the river, like in a boat, but actually go swimming in it? Nah, man, that ain't me. I ain't doing that. God, it's hot. Traffic isn't too bad. Time to airport, da, da, da. I'm not trying to go to the airport. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had this load on Monday. Just so, leave at 4 o'clock in the morning, Tuesday. Leave I would leave in the afternoon. I would do my 10-hour break at their plant and just wake up in the morning, truck route, and get going. They unload me. Cause that's not a fear. That's the thing I'm not really too happy about, because these people take forever. The last time I was here, it took them 4.5 hours to unload me. But luckily, if it takes them too long, I'll just park up in my parents' house and just sleep there, and then get to going in the morning home to Baltimore. So, yeah, 6. Yeah, it's gonna be close to me getting home. So, if I get home tonight, that's great. If I don't, I don't. I'm not gonna lie, this is hurting my head, so I'm gonna place you guys on the dashboard. We back. So yeah, that head thing is giving me a migraine, man. But I got you guys. I'm back. It didn't take too long. The Walt Whitman Bridge is right over here. I doubt if people are going to let me over, because that's just how people are. They will not. They see a big truck and they think, he'd be all right. Don't let him over. He's slow. But guess what? I'm a bully y'all. I'm going to bully you guys. See, he did it.
Keep right to I-76 East.
It's going to be massive.
4 3/4 miles. Take
And of
exit
course, he's from Jersey.
354 on the right to I-676.
I think this is what he was telling me about. That's not the next. I think, yeah, 138. Yeah, that's definitely not the next exit. It's fine. I knew what he was talking about. Yeah, 10 minutes away, which isn't bad. Hopefully it's a Friday, it's an afternoon, they're in a good mood, in and out. I'm going home, picking up another load, and I'm going home. We're about to pass these birds in these Phillies stadiums right over here. Good old South Philadelphia. Oh yeah, and the Sixers. Shout out to Ben Simmons for being a baby back. Yeah. Yeah. Don't make me say it. Don't make me say it. Ben, I'm not a Sixers fan, but Ben, you went out. We went out with you. We went out with you. Come on, don't do that. Live casino. I've never even knew this was over here. Probably been a minute. So over here, this is where I used to learn how to drive for my CDL school. Well, this is where they would take us to drive to learn how to do manuals and all that. And I would suck so bad to go see that Cisco. Yes, Cisco. I've tried so hard to work with y'all. And y'all keep not hiring me, but it's cool. Lineage or lineage, however you say it, I've tried to work for y'all. Y'all just kept denying me. But it's cool though. I'm happy with where I'm at. I'm happy. Things just aren't meant to be. It is okay. So that wasn't that hard getting over here. I think I kind of overreacted. And it's not bad for me to overreact because I am trying to do a job right. Do my job right and not get in trouble while doing it and legally do it. So, yeah. Go over here. Yeah, I think I overreacted just a little bit. Just a little bit. Last time I went here, I got lost because I didn't know it was a recycling. I was looking for like the warehouses that I usually deliver to in the Midwest. This isn't actually a recycling plant, and you wouldn't know it was where you're supposed to go until you finally realize on the other side of the warehouse.
In 3/4 mile, take exit 354 on the right to I-676.
So, I'm trying to remember. I love those. I love them. ticket. 254. Good. Let's pay your bills. I wish they came in automatics. I wish they came in automatics. So, getting off. Stuff like this, people just randomly merge over. So I can't go too fast.
Take exit 354 on the right to I-676.
Yeah, that was last time I was here. That was the first time I was actually in Camden City. I've been
In
over
1/2 mile, keep right to Crescent Boulevard.
I've been to Camden, but Camden City, like the actual neighborhood, I've never been in. So yeah, this is the way I came. This is where the way I came last time.
Be in the right
lost.
lane.
And I had to wrap back around over here.
In 1/2 mile, be in the right lane, then keep right to US 130 North.
Camden's definitely the hood. One of the drivers that was coming here last time was like, yeah, I'm gonna just find an area in Camden and just stay there for the night. And I'm like, dude, are you serious? He's like, yeah, it's like any other city. I said, bro, this ain't like no other city. Like, if they got sleeping, if they allow you to sleep on the premises, do that. Other than that,
keep right to US 130 North.
Don't sleep on some random side of the road or outside of that facility. Because they might rob you. I'm not saying it to be mean, but I know Camden is almost like Philly. And I know Camden is like Gary, Indiana. And I don't know, it's just, they might not. They might not. I don't know. I'm just, be cautious. Just don't sleep on some random side of the road and just park your truck there.
Keep left to Mount Ephraim Avenue.
Yeah, this is the way I got lost last time. So I gotta keep my eyes open. Let me pour me another shot. Another shot of coffee for my troubles. Oh, damn it. They must have hold you.
In 1 mile, arrive at 2201 Mount Ephraim Avenue on the left.
Alright, so let's see if I get it right this time. Yeah, but you wasn't supposed to go that way. I mean, where else was I supposed to go? Hopefully I don't have to wait long, man. I really don't. I'm not trying. I want to enjoy my weekend. I mean, I'm only a few hours away from home, which is good. So. I don't remember what the name. Aramax. Aeronix. Sheesh, look at all them cops. Yeah, I think he was trying to sleep over here. I'm like, dude, don't do it.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at 2201 Mount Ephraim Avenue on the left.
Just go this way. Because I can always just turn around. Yeah, see, I can't go this way. Can I? Where the hell is the lot? Probably just went the most wrong way. But you know what? I gotta get to where I have to go. Definitely went the wrong way, people. But listen, I'm here, right? I am here. I am here. And look at that. No one is here. Last time this whole parking lot was that's the door I have to go into. got to do. Head up to Lancaster and come home, baby. Guys, this has been a short video. I knew. Oh, I'm just trying to get home. I just had to give y'all something just so y'all wouldn't think I was ignoring y'all. But you guys know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Click that notification button so y'all know when I'm uploading videos. And yeah, have a blessed weekend.